want to switch into a high-paying cybersecurity role and tech role in 2026, these are the AI security specific and DevSecOps courses that you should study and the order in which you should do them. I'm Charlie. I'm a Chief Information Security Officer. I've been in cybersecurity for over a decade. These are the types of skill sets that I look for and my peers, my CISO peers in the industry look for when hiring people for high-paying roles. First of all, you need to get your fundamentals. You need to get the Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate. Now, you can either do that or you can do CompTIA Security Plus. You don't really need to do both. CompTIA Security Plus looks a bit better in terms of certifications, but the course you want to do to learn CompTIA Security Plus, look at Professor Messer on YouTube and cover Udemy as well. But you can do the Google Cybersecurity Professional Cert. It's more of a course and takes a couple of months if you want to do CompTIA Security Plus. Then I do recommend you need to get a mentor. You need to work with someone, right? This is why I recommend the Cyber Agoge DevSecOps and AI Security Bootcamp, because it's led by me, it's live and completely designed by myself on how I build out AI security and DevSecOps teams. But do something where you've actually got touch time with someone. Don't do like pre-recorded things and stuff like that. You need to ask questions. You need to get support, especially if you're switching from a previous career, and make sure you're being taught by someone with at least 10 years experience across different sectors, and make sure their curriculum covers the latest technologies. Then I recommend check out the AWS's official AWS Cloud Practitioner Essentials course. There's also something on Coursera and Udemy that covers this. Like you're looking at like 6 weeks, you got to get the AWS fundamentals because all AI is built on AWS or Azure still. Do the HashiCorp Certified Terraform Associate. Everything's still deployed via infrastructure as code. Udemy is a really good one to do. It takes about 3 weeks to do. Get the Google ML Engineering Professional Cert. This is on Coursera as well. It takes about 6 weeks. Really, really good. Teach you the data fundamentals, teach you AI infrastructure, crucial for a role in 2026, especially if you want to start getting to those six-figure type roles. This is the kind of upper skill set you need. Then you need what we call technology specific certifications. Hugging Face AI Agents course, really good. Takes like 3 weeks. Loads of companies use Hugging Face now. Snowflake University Essentials takes about 10 hours to do, or do the Databricks equivalent, like get one of the two. If you look at job descriptions for high paying roles, most companies are deploying this sort of infrastructure. They're building their data sets in both Databricks and Snowflake. So you've got to learn how to secure it. So understand those fundamentals. That will make you stand out amongst everyone else. And then get a mentor, build projects, actually look at Arco, which is an IDE DevSecOps scanner. Okay, install that for free. You can download it in Cursor. Use tools like Trivy, use tools like GitHub Actions, build live GitHub repos, have as projects, make them public, put them on your CV and show employees and share your screen during interviews. Really, really crucial if you want to land a high paying role in 2026. Arco is free to do. It's a DevSecOps scanner. You can use Trivy. There's loads of different tools you can use, but do IDE and do CI/CD and do AWS infrastructure. That's how you're going to stand out in 2026. But I recommend get mentorship, the Cyber Agoge DevSecOps Bootcamp. We've got a new cohort that starts Thursday, 5th of March, and we run them monthly as well. But this is where you get hands-on with the technology, and we actually teach you as if you're actually at a company as a DevSecOps engineer, building real apps and securing real apps right the way from the beginning, even if you have no previous experience. Good luck. 2026 is going to be your year.